Is it the right time to buy or sell Palantir stock? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be delving deep into Palantir. We previously released a report on our website on Thursday, February 8, 2024, and now we're excited to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. We don't want you to miss any important updates that could potentially impact your investments. Looking to enhance your trading decisions? We've got you covered with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please bear in mind that this video is purely for informational purposes and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of February 6, 2024, our system has ranked Palantir as a hold/accumulate with a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, Palantir has gained 12.07% since our recommendation to buy the stock 3 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 4.02% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. With a score of 0, our system indicates high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to predict the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has recently broken a wide and downward short-term trend. This could be an early signal of a trend shift, although the falling rate has slowed down. On the upside, there will be support at the current trend's broken roof, which is at $19.51. This level may present a second opportunity for potential gains. Looking at the current 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 9.60% change expected over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between minus 43.94% and minus 28.05%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 81.38% change expected over the next year, with a potential return ranging between 35.66% and 93.86%. This translates to a price range of $33.25 to $47.51 after a year. Our latest update for Palantir brings good news as the stock gained 3.86% on Thursday, February 8, 2024. The Palantir stock price started at $23.60 and ended the day at $24.51, marking its third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this positive trend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. On Thursday, the stock experienced a 7.46% fluctuation, reaching a low of $23.32 and a high of $25.06. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, resulting in an impressive 48.91% increase over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased by 37 million shares on the last day, with a total of 211 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $5.17 billion. It's worth noting that declining volume accompanied by higher prices can signal divergence and potentially indicate future changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $25.06, while the lowest was $7.19. Currently, the stock is trading 2.19% or $0.550 below its 52-week high, and 45.53% or $20.49 below its all-time high on January 27, 2021, when it reached $45. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, February 6, 2024, Mizuho Securities gave PLTR a neutral grade with a hold action. On the same day, William Blair rated PLTR as underperform with a hold action. Wedbush also provided a rating for PLTR, grading it as outperform with a hold action. Jefferies gave PLTR a hold grade but with an upgrade action. Lastly, Raymond James rated PLTR as outperform with a hold action. Analysts have given Palantir stock a general buy rating. They strongly recommend investing in Palantir with a PE ratio rated as strong buy and price to book also rated as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a buy rating. In this video, we'll discuss the signals that have been identified for Palantir stock. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate buy signals for Palantir, which is a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. If there are any corrections downwards, there will be support from the lines at $19.45 and $17.40. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, sell signals will be issued. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, January 5, 2024, and since then, the stock has risen by 53.38%. This indicates a further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also shows a buy signal. It's important to note that despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. Therefore, it is advised to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is giving a buy signal. Pivots are showing a buy signal 24 days ago. Bollinger Bands are indicating a buy signal 3 days ago. The short-term moving average is signaling a buy 6 days ago. The long-term moving average is indicating a buy 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 4 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short-term moving average is showing a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 2 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Today, let's talk about Palantir's support, risk, and stop loss. Palantir has found support from accumulated volume at $23.60. This is an important level to watch because it may present a buying opportunity. Typically, when support is being tested, we can expect an upwards reaction in the stock price. However, it's important to note that Palantir is considered to be a high-risk stock due to its volatility. The Bollinger Band, a technical indicator, suggests a large prediction interval for this stock. So, if you're considering investing in Palantir, be aware of the potential risks involved. Looking at the recent price movements, we can see that Palantir can be quite volatile. In the last day, the stock moved $1.74 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 7.46% change. And over the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 9.04%. Before we go further into discussing the potential trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is a crucial measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Palantir's PE ratio is currently quite high, which suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's worth noting that it's not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Palantir's Q1 2024 is expected to be released on May 13, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $0.0700. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can have a significant impact on the stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Palantir. When looking at the accumulated volume, we don't see any significant resistance above. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock could potentially move upward swiftly. In such a situation, it might be a good idea to enter a position and use volume as an indicator for when to exit. On the downside, Palantir encounters its first support level at $23.60. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders who anticipate a rebound. The overall consensus from multiple analyst sources is that Palantir is rated as a buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On February 1, 2024, Schiff Alexandra W. sold 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On February 1, 2024, Moore Alexander D. sold 21,900 shares of Class A common stock. On January 3, 2024, Schiff Alexandra W. sold 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On January 2, 2024, Stat Lauren Elena Friedman sold 6,000 shares of Class A common stock. On January 2, 2024, Moore Alexander D. sold 21,900 shares of Class A common stock. After analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative with a ratio of -19.469. In total, insiders purchased 8,155,717 shares and sold 12,206,225 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $23.80, which represents a decrease of 2.9%. This particular stock exhibits high daily movements, making it a riskier investment option. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is at 80, further increasing the level of risk. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was found 23 days ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Although Palantir holds several positive signals, we don't find them to be enough for a buy candidate. Instead, it should be considered as a hold candidate in this position while awaiting further development. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements for the last trading day and have found that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, February 9th, we expect Palantir to open down $0.213 and start trading at $24.30. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to emphasize the importance of understanding the risks involved in trading. It's crucial that you consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is a source of information and should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we analyze the current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We're curious to know, do you agree or disagree with our analysis? And what target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We genuinely hope that you have a successful trading experience and wish you a beautiful day. Thank you for being here with us at Stock Invest.